Savannah Chatham County Public Schools is now requiring students in athletics, band, cheerleading, and ROTC to get tested for COVID-19 weekly.
Now, parents are sharing their questions and concerns about the new program with WSAV. Our Brian Ray is getting answers from district leaders tonight. He's joining us live outside of headquarters.
Ben and Tina, those students must be registered for weekly testing by next Monday. Now, parents tell me they have a number of concerns, including having to provide their driver's license and social security numbers to register and the cost associated. Beginning October 18th, students in athletics, band, cheerleading, and ROTC will be required to get COVID tested weekly.
This is what they want to do to make sure that kids are safe. I don't have a problem with that, but then they should not request anyone, regardless of their insurance status, whatever status, they should not ask any personal information and any insurance information.
District leaders say that information is used to match the testing sample with the student.
This is a company that has extensive background in diagnostic testing. They've been doing that component of their business for a long time, and they've added COVID testing collection to it, and they're working with a laboratory of Vero Diagnostics who will get that information. That's between the parent, the company, and the lab.
Hediger says the district is partnering with COVID Testing Appointments LLC rather than a community provider because it can better support the up to 2,000 students testing daily.
They've assured us that they can have PCR tests back, turnaround time typically in 24 hours. And what we've found over our experience over the last year and a half, that really is somewhat of a rarity.
Hediger says students won't have to quarantine in that 24-hour period. Another concern for parents is money. The district says there is no out-of-pocket expense for parents.
The company in their process is going to need that information, but by CARES Act, there is no cost to the insurance carrier. The insurance companies will be covering and reimbursing the labs for those costs that are incurred.
The district will cover uninsured families using CARES funds. Despite the district's COVID numbers decreasing, leaders say the program is a proactive measure. Hediger says if students in those programs do not register for weekly testing, they will not be allowed to continue participating. Leaders also tell me this is a pilot and they do intend to expand it to all students at some point, but they do not say exactly when. Live in Savannah, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Brian, thank you.